So now we have to start digging.
I saw some beetles at the edge.
Hi guys, it's Tony here and welcome back to my channel. For today's vlog ay isasama namin kayo ni Ivan sa aming camping. So if you're interested, just keep on watching, but before that, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and to tap that notification bell para updated kayo every time may bago kaming video just like this. So ayun na nga, summer dito sa New Zealand. Uso dito yung camping, and for the first time, not first time, para sa season na to, ang first camping namin, pupunta kami sa may Coromandel, nandoon yung hindi ko alam kung anong movie yun lang yung basta yung basta may movie dito na nakalimutan ko guys, ilagay ko na lang sa description.
Second.
Basta may
The Witch and the Wardrobe.
oh, basta ganyan. Merong movie dito na dito gishoot sa Coromandel kasi maganda yung beach. Tapos anyway, magka-camping talaga tayo, like todo camping. So ano lang, 3 days and 2 nights lang tayo dito sa Top 10 Holiday Park na Hot Water Beach. Ayan, malapit na kami, 5 minutes away na lang. So ayan, samahan nyo kami dito sa aming adventure sa Coromandel. Ang sabi mo, walang signal.
Okay lang.
Wag na.
Welcome, vlogger dad.
Grabe, ganda ng kitchen.
Niloloko tayo nila dito, oh. Dinikot ko nila si Aya, oh. Nila pa si Lubri,
Nag-request.
pa si Aya.
Tapos ka,
Tayo ng Friday group doon.
tapos kami.
Si Aya. Naku, pwede ka uno na niyo. Sige, paningkamot diha. May ako pala itong gabi.
The Ikay and Hertos. Nice, oh, it's so big and spacious. Guys, natapos na lang talaga ang aming tent for this camping. Thank you sa kila Kuya Tim, Ate Andrea, kila Kuya Eugene sa pag-help sa amin set up. So, let's have, of course, every time ito, meron tayong tent tour. So, pagpasok natin, for this season, konti lang ang ating dala kasi, ay grabe, pagpasok mo, andito pa rin yung aking mat. Kasi, ay, grabe ang hangin, guys. Diyos ko. Kasi para yung mga dust. Tapos, andito yung dala ko yung maliit naman na table and chair. Kaya kung gusto namin mag-inom-inom ng kape here. Ito yung mga kalo namin, sun hats namin ready to go. This area is our food kitchen area. Dito yung natago yung mga lights namin, lamps, andito yung mga card games extension. Pero only hindi ako nakinig ano pala dito, non-powered side. Syempre kailangan natin ng coke. Andito yung mga bag ng tent, rice cooker, rice is life, pagkain namin. Ayan, meron akong panglinis. Wala akong vacuum ditong dala, so meron akong panglinis. Tubig. So, food. And of course, our bedroom, si Ivan, ayan na siya, oh. Pagod din siya. Dahil non-powered side, just in case malamig paggabi, so nagdala ako ng mga ganito. Kaya medyo bulky. Tapos yan ang gamit namin, guys. And that's our tent tour. Ayan, very simple lang yung aming tent for today's vlog. Kasi alam mo yun, ayoko na maraming dalahin. So, ayan. Now, let's go to the kitchen kasi nag-start na sila cook ng aming brunch. So, tara. Timing, no? Maganda yung area namin kasi nga malapit lang siya sa kitchen. Like, literally harap namin ay kitchen. Parang amin na yung kitchen. So, tara, let's go. Dito pa lang naaamoy ko na yung bango ng ulam. Yan. Large kitchen. This is close. Ayan. Bulalo. Ay, nakalimutan ko yung onion. Daling ko pala. Onion. May onion doon. Ayan. Ito yung... Grabe siya, oh. Sexy yan.
Naselo siya, ani, oh.
Master Chef yan.
Tagana niya, eh.
Sibuyas na may adobo.
Lawayi lang.
I have Band-Aid.
Lawayi lang.
It's beef ate. So, dito sa top 10 holiday, pwede meron silang mga cabins. Ganyan. If gusto nyo magstay sa mga cabins, meron silang pool area dito. Pool area. Dito. Pakita ko sa inyo.
Hindi naman nagpunta sa pool. Ang saksakan ha.
Yan, may pool. Ayan, meron silang pool area. Dami masyadong bata, oh. Ang kagandahan lang dito sa top 10 holiday na Coraman sa may Hot Water Beach is malapit, mayroon na silang walkway para going to the beach, and ayan, punta tayo sa beach. Nakapunta na kami dito ni Ivan before sa Hot Water Beach. Isa to sa mga favorite spots ko for swimming kasi magdig ka, tapos may hot water. Kaya yan, ipapakita ko sa inyo ulit kasi it has been a while since nakabalik kami dito ni Ivan. So, Hot Water Beach, safety first, time to visit, spade hire. Nice. So, naglalakad lang kami. Siguro mga ilang minutes ba to from 15 minutes from the Top 10 Holiday Park. So, yan. Ganyan lang siya. I'm slow. Come on. Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Yes. Medyo malayo. Oh, I think malapit na tayo, Yuan, kasi may tubig na, no? Hot Water Beach. Alright.
Mama.
Ganda. Hmm? Oh, I think nag-aulan na. It's alright, we'll just shower. Ligo in the rain? Have you ever tried
Raining. Let's go. Playing in the rain. Yeah.
playing in the rain?
Yes. I don't know all the time. Only sometimes, not all the time. No, we see it now. Over there.
I know.
We're almost here. What if we might see something like that? Whoa.
Finally! Yeah.
It's soft now.
So soft.
That my feet are getting like slippery. Is that soft? One more. Whoa, look at that. Tita, look how much sand I got in my shoes.
That's a lot. At andito na tayo ngayon sa Hot Water Beach. As you can see, ewan ko, nakita nyo, sobrang daming tao. Kasi mag-low tide na. It means pag mag-low tide na, it's nice to dig. Tingnan nyo doon, tayo doon sa area kung saan sila nag-dig. Ayan, ang daming tao. Ang daming tao. So now we have to start digging. It's hot! Wow! Huwag ka dyan lang ka!
Malutay naman. Malutay. Paralis patrono. Tingnan mo lang ka. Tingnan mo. Tingnan mo. Nagabula-bula oh. Be careful. Yeah, be careful. You might get burned, okay?
Ganda. camping. Mainit ang tubig, masarap ang tubig, pero sobrang effort na magdig. Kaya nga naalala ko tuloy before bakit gusto namin ni Ivan na bumili ng pala kasi talagang effort magdig. Yan, effort. Nice. Nice. Really nice. Tingnan nyo naman, sobrang daming tao, sobrang daming nagadig. Yan, saya. So ngayon, it's boiling hot.
I don't think I wanna. I saw some people that did that. Looking for cold water?
So, nagdig kami, kaso sobra namang init. Kita yun. Sobrang daming tao. Sobrang daming tao dito sa Hot Water Beach, guys. Pero tawag dyan, ngayon nung last time na napunta kami dito, marami namang spots pero sobrang daming pools na mainit. I mean, it's not just hot, it's boiling water. Pakita ko sa inyo ha, yung gidig namin kanina, oh my god, it's really hot. Dami ng mga na-victim. Tapos, pero yung otherwise kami nakakuha na kami ng spot namin dito. So, andyan sila Ivan and the kids, they're happy. They're happy in their spot. Ayan sila, oh, yan. And dito naman iba. Ayan, tamang spot lang yan. Sobrang daming tao, as you can see, oh, like that. Daming tao, sobrang daming bata. Pero ingat lang talaga kasi mainit. Baka ma-first degree burn sila, Diyos ko. Yan. Low tide na dito pagpunta kayo dito, papunta kayo dito pala, guys, dapat i-check mo yung tide. Otherwise, pag high tide, syempre hindi kayo makadig. Pag low tide, ito yung best time. So, kailangan nyo siyang i-check. So, yan. It's so nice here sa Hot Water Beach. It's really a nice place. Kaya naging favorite ko talaga to. So, yan. Yung mga dito. Good morning, guys, it's Tony here again, and it's day 2 of our camping here in Coromandel. Time check, it's already 8 o'clock and it's breakfast time. And for our breakfast, meron lang tayong sandali, pakita ko sa inyo. For breakfast, meron lang kaming coffee, Barako coffee, and Bongbong's Piyaya. Tapos inopen na namin ang tent para i-air out kasi it's a nice breezy day. Ganda kasi hindi siya gaulan. Very good. Yan. Pakita ko sa inyo yung campground again. Diyan o, diba? Yung kapitbahay namin, alis na sila. Tapos, doon tingnan yung mga bata doon, guys, o. Yan ang kagandahan sa, ay, paano ba yan? Dapat, yarn, dyan. Kita yung mga bata, nagalaro, dyan. Yan.
Ba?
It's our second day. Yes. And kami ang team na mag-prepare for today's lunch and dinner. Agay, sira. So, ang ulam natin ay spaghetti and chicken lollipop. And for our dinner is prawns with sinigang. Ivan's prepping the sinigang para diretso-diretso na tayo. We're doing the chicken lollipop. Ayan yung aming kalan dyan. Yan. Yan lang. Okay, let's prep.
Dito yan.
Dito yan.
Oh, katulad niya.
And then, ipiprito na yun after. Prito ko na yan. Pag natapos na sila magluto ng ating kapitbahay. And then, Ivan. Go, 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 kids! Kasi para makago na sa pool.
Cool.
Ate Simone's favorite!
I like the lollipop.
Ano ka na kay hindi ka makapasok naman.
Thank you.
Up, up! Careful!
I beg no, Nick. No, you can go on seat. You got it. I don't want to. I can go to the seat. You want it. Stop, Nick.
Ready? Wait! Go!
What you want?
Yummy.
Tap. Meron ka pa mang isa doon, oh? Still frozen. You're so maitim.
It was just Josh and I knew you were joking. Yeah.
So,
Everything done in the microwave.
kami ang sa dinner din. So, what's for dinner?
Sinigang.
So, it's sinigang na isda. So, yan. Time check, it's 6 o'clock and it's so hot. Mainit.
Ako nagalit.
Mainit man talaga.
Warm lang, warm.
Then, that's it.
Akala ko, itry niyo yung sour soup.
Oh, gulay na ginilita. Isda nila.
Cheers, you one. Cheers. Uy, masarap.